Hello, I'm Sujata Pawar, the founder of Avni Wellness. Avni Wellness is a women's health brand, and we are working at the intersection of women's health, nutrition, and empowerment by generating livelihood opportunities for them. Being a woman myself, through my entire journey, I have suffered a lot of issues personally, like severe anemia, bad rashes, very heavy bleeding, urinary tract infections. My healthcare background and a lot of research that I'd done, interactions with my friends and family, I have learned that most of the problems are very common, and yet they are never researched, and hence they are never solved. I'll share some facts and you would be amazed to know this. Go back home and ask your wife, your daughter, your mother, and you shall know. 22% of women in India suffer from PCOS. 57% women in India are anemic. 78% of adult women are suffering from mild urinary incontinence, urinary leaks. 75% of women experience urinary tract infections at least once in their lifetime. And almost 100% women who use plastic loaded sanitary pads suffer from rashes, irritation, and infections. Now, these conditions drastically impact their nutrition levels, health, their fertility, and their daily quality of life. Most importantly, the confidence of navigating the world. What made me really sad is that, as usual, women have normalized living with these issues. What made me even more restless was that no one was educating, creating awareness, or even innovating products to solve these problems. All of these problems, I realize, can be easily corrected by targeted nutritional interventions and clean label products. That is when Apurv and I decided to take the plunge. We started Avni Wellness in 2021 with an idea to create a holistic women's brand that will solve targeted problems starting from personal hygiene to nutrition. And the first problem we decided to solve was the problem of plastic and chemical loaded sanitary pads. Our primary research suggested that 55% of women in India are still very happy using cloth in some format. They are just wanting to switch to modern versions, and the rest of the women want to switch to eco friendly options that they can still dispose. So, after 2 years of research, pilots, and customer feedbacks, we developed our range of Avni Lush and Avni Fluff pads. This range is India's only patented range of reusable pads with a tested antimicrobial technology. Now, these pads absorb over 8 hours without any leaks and stain. Very easy to wash, you just have to soak them in a little bit of water for 10 minutes, hand rub it, and you're done. One can wash and reuse them up to 100 washes, making them eco friendly and cost effective at the same time. These pads actually gave us the opportunity to have women as a part of our value chain. These pads are partly handcrafted by women, helping them get into the mainstream job with fixed monthly income. To increase the access to women in peri-urban areas, we collaborated with social enterprises like Wilgrow, Dharma Life, and Shore to build a network of Avni Sakhis. Avni Sakhis create awareness in their communities and also act as our sales partners, earning commissions as they sell. Over the last 3 years, we have built a very good range of personal hygiene essentials for women. Our products are loved by over 3 lakh women across the country and even abroad. The journey so far has been very impactful and fulfilling. In the next phase, we intend to launch a range of targeted yet convenient nutrition products to solve problems like protein deficiency, iron deficiency, PCOD, hormonal imbalances, urinary tract infections, and many more with the guidance of our healthcare advisors. We will leverage the network of Avni Sakhis also to handcraft these products and also take them to lakhs and lakhs of women. When women stand up for themselves, come together to heal themselves, that is where magic begins. Avni has started this revolution, and our vision is to impact 2 million women across the world in the coming 5 years. We thank all our customers, investors, our mentors who have supported us through this journey. Thank you very much.